Mike Gish, MarineMax Maryland. Today I'm on a fresh trade 2018 Sea Ray 460 Sundancer. One of Sea Ray's really well designed 46-foot boats with a really long lineage. Looking down the side of here, you'll see you get nice walkways all the way fore and aft. Easy to carry and maintain for Whitehall. Swim platform, this one does have the hydraulic option with the stairs that fold out when the swim platform is fully deployed or even halfway, making it very, very easy to get in and out of the water. Another great option we have on this one, gourmet station. So you do have a grill and a nice pull-up sink. You can really do a lot of good entertaining, good work back here. Of course, when you're not using it, folds down and out of the way. Shoremaster cable, easy to retract. No one wants to lug around that 50 amp shore power cord. Moving into the cockpit, we do have the nice teak flooring throughout. Of course, this being the 460, it does have the slider that goes out. Gives you that extra space when you are entertaining, when you want a little more room in the cockpit. Table folds out nicely, and then gives you this extra space. We do have the Sure Shade deployed also. Not too sunny today, but on the sunnier days, it really is a nice option to keep it a little bit cooler. Again, all that indoor-outdoor space. As you can tell, I have the door all the way open today. Makes it very, very easy to come in right into the galley that happens to be up and aft in this boat. So in the galley that is up and aft, again, real easy feature to use. We have all the amenities you're gonna need. When you have the refrigerator, freezer, you get an ice maker on this side, microwave, 2-burner cooktop, sink with hot and cold pressurized water. In addition, we do also have the wine chiller. And of course, no boat would be complete without a nice flat screen television with the Bose soundbar. As we're moving towards the helm, one of the other features I really enjoy is the size of this hardtop. It tracks all the way to the aft, gives you lots of that indoor-outdoor light as well as the breeze going through the boat. So if there is a little bit of breeze or when you're running, really comfortable place to be. You feel like you're outside even though you're inside the boat. This is a high-low table, so it does go up. Easier to eat it, down if you want to use it more as a coffee table. Nice feature on the 460, does have the hideaway breaker panel. Easy to get to, easy to access, but out of the way so it's not an eyesore for you. Moving forward to the helm, double wide helm seat, flip up armrest, flip down bolsters. Very good visibility from up here. Easy to access, easy to see everything. Full Raymarine electronics, so you're gonna have touchscreen throughout, radar, GPS, autopilot, really everything you need. With this boat, we do have the Cummins joystick system, so this is a V-drive configuration with a bow thruster. All controllable through this joystick, makes it really easy to dock even on those days that it's a little more questionable when you don't have that same comfort level. So standing in the atrium, this is really your gateway to all the staterooms and the heads that are on this boat. So we move towards the aft, you're gonna get a full beam midship master stateroom, queen size island bed, lots of room to walk around on either side, Bose soundbar, flat screen television, good light on both sides of the boat. You do have the nice shades that do fold down, block out the light as needed, lots of storage. The other thing I really do like on this particular boat also is we do have the satin walnut finish. Really sets the boat apart. Wasn't quite as common as the cherry that you see. Really adds that little bit of uniqueness you're going to see. No master stateroom would be a master if it didn't have a master head. Separate shower stall, vacuum flush head, everything you've come to expect from Sea Rays of past. Also going to have the opening port light, so you do get a little cross ventilation throughout the boat. VIP stateroom is forward on this berth. Again, another good option is the scissor bed. Folds together to make a queen, separates for 2 singles. Really keeps it versatile, gives you a lot of options for your guest accommodations. VIP stateroom does have access to its own head. This is the day head, so you can access it from the main atrium as well, but you still get the nice separate shower stall and the vacuum flush head. Again, I want to thank you for watching this video. Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland, our 2018 Sea Ray 460 Sundancer. Give us a call, stop on in. We'd love to show you this vessel.